So that's all I'm gonna say about that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, and as I always say, welcome. If you're new, you can join me. I welcome you with open arms. You can join me by hitting that subscribe button, which is right over here. Down there is the red button. You should know by now, it's the red button. It says subscribe, and once you hit it, it's gonna turn gray. Then you can hit that bell button right beside it, and you'll be notified when I post. So, I'm sure everybody read the title. You already know what I'm about to be doing. So, I'm gonna get right into it. With that being said, y'all can go ahead and like this video up. Comment down below some video ideas. And subscribe to my channel if not already. And, yeah. Today, we're gonna be doing a little mukbang. Get to know me. Let me, open my food up. I will be eating, I got some jerk chicken and white rice and some cabbage from this Jamaican place. It's called Cool and Run. One of those. Cool and Runnings, I think. I'm not sure. But that's Cool Run something. But that's what I'm going to be eating. And it smells so good. And I got me some Kool-Aid. So, this gonna really be just like a get to know me type thing or whatever, because I haven't really did those, even though I have, you know, a lot of videos. It should have been like the first one, but it's okay, because like, I be asking y'all to ask me questions, but don't nobody ask me no questions. So then I was like, I don't have any questions to answer, so why do a Q&A or anything like that? But I do have a couple. Someone sent me some. Her name is _.I'mGorgeous on Instagram. She sent me a lot of questions. I was on live a little bit ago, and she sent me a lot of questions. So I'm going to answer some of those, and then I'm just going to come up with some generic stuff about me. Just some basic stuff. And answer. So, yeah. The first question. Well, first, let me just introduce myself. My name is Urshanae Whitfield Landria. That's my middle name. That's why it's Landria. That's where it comes from. It's my middle name. And I'm 19 years old. I'm from Mississippi. And I graduated in 2018. What she asked, how old are you? I said 19. I graduated in 2018, and I went to Hines Community College in Mississippi. It's in Jackson. This past year, I went and I finished my freshman year this past in May or whatever, when we got out of school. And as if you don't know, you can go watch the video that I'll put up here, me explaining like when I was moving to Atlanta, me explaining what was about to happen or whatever. I'll link it up here. You can go watch that if you want to, you know, since some people don't know. But I did move to Atlanta on June the 30th, and because, one, I am going to be starting cosmetology school at Paul Mitchell on the 22nd, which is this coming up Monday. Well, 2 days from this video being posted, because I'm posting this on Friday. It's actually Wednesday today. So, yeah, I just been in Georgia. And I asked, how was it like being in Atlanta? And it's just, I haven't really got out to do like a lot. This is spicy. I haven't really gone out like to the like downtown Atlanta or whatever yet to do anything, but I did go to orientation for school, which was on the 8th, and the school is in Marietta, so that's like, well, it's really downtown, so that's about the only time I've really been downtown since I've been here this time. But as we all know, I did the vlog. I'll link it above. On my birthday weekend, we came to Atlanta. We came to Atlanta for my birthday. And I mean, I've been here before, so I just haven't got out while I've been here this time. So it's really just, I really just been working and stuff. This is spicy. I love that cabbage. It's like made just right. But next question, her next question was, what college are you attending this fall? I'll be going to Palm Metro College Science School, as I just said. So, like, I just finished my freshman year of college, so I won't be going back this fall. But I will be in cosmetology school. What is your major? My major, when I went to Hines, was graphic design. But now it's obviously, I'll be doing hair, nails, and makeup. So that's that. How did you start your YouTube channel? Well, I started my YouTube channel. I basically just started, like, I just did it, like, make a video and upload it. I had been wanting to do it for a while. I was watching, like, YouTubers and stuff, and I was like, oh, this would be fun, something to do. And I had been, like, had the idea in my head for a while, but I didn't start until November, maybe, of 2017. So, like, this is going on 2 years. Yeah, this is going on 2 years. So it's been quite a while since I started. But when I started, I wasn't really being as consistent. I was just like, oh, let me start a YouTube. I want to start a YouTube. But I wasn't really consistent with it. So that first maybe year, maybe, I don't know. It's been a while since I started. I started in 2017 at the end. So how did I start? I just started. I just made a video. I had an iPhone 6S. And I recorded on my phone. And I had a MacBook. Well, I got a MacBook. But, so I've been editing on my MacBook since the beginning. And I just use iMovie. And I don't really do all that little, you know, fancy editing and stuff. So it's not really that much. It's pretty easy, if you ask me. So, yeah, that's how I started. Yeah, I just did it. Just do it. Why not? What was the next question? How do you deal with hate comments, if you have any? I don't really have any because I really, y'all really don't comment on my videos, so I haven't experienced that. Well, I have, but it was just like 1 or 2, and it's just like, whatever. Okay, say what you want. But, I haven't really dealt with any hate comments, if you know what I mean. Like, a whole bunch of them, no. Because I barely get comments on my videos right now. So until the comments start, I really don't know how I would deal with it. I'm sure I still do just like whatever. Okay. What was that? I was gonna ask Mama in. I don't know. I guess I'll think of questions when I get done with her questions. But next one, how did you start your natural? Oh, how did you start your natural process with your hair? I can't tell you how long I was transitioning. I can't, but I was transitioning for a while. I hadn't had a perm in a while, and I was just tired of the transition stage, because in that transition stage, it's like I have these straight ends, but my roots are they're nappy, and I can't treat them how I need to treat them to make them look good, because I had these straight ends, and then I don't know what kind of style I need to do with my hair, because I'm not gonna put no heat on it or nothing like that. So I just got tired of it, and I was like, okay, it's time to cut my hair off. For me, it was time to cut my hair off, because I was just sick of the transition stage, not knowing what to do with my hair, and it not wanting to act right in certain styles and this and that, and it was just too much. So I just cut it off in September. I believe it was. I cut it off September 21st, 2018. So it'll be a year this coming up September. And this is like the growth. If you can see, you see it? I really got it in kind of like an illusion type thing, because when I let it out, it's like, I mean, this is still my hair, but I got it pulled up to a high thing. So how did I start my natural hair journey? I just cut it off. Well, I didn't cut it all off. I had grew my hair out a little bit, because I was my bad. I was in the process for a while, and I got it to like a length where I was like, okay, I'll be okay with this. Like, and it ended up being shorter than I thought it was gonna be when I went to cut it, because whew, she was just cutting and cutting, and I was like, oh my gosh, are you gonna stop? Like, I thought my hair was like, my natural hair was out more than what it really was. I'll insert a little picture of the day. Well, it was like a day after maybe, or the day, one of them, the day before, day after, not the day before, but the day after I got a cut, I believe. I'll insert an early picture of how it was. And I was like, oh my gosh, my hair is so short. I'm just ready for it to grow. But it is a process. Whew, it is. It is a process. So, yeah, I cut it off September 21st. And this is what it's looking like. I need to fix this. This is what it's looking like. How many months after? Like 10? Yeah, that's about right. 10 months. Y'all really can't see because the dark background, but y'all get the gist. Get the gist. You get the gist of it. And yeah, the transition stage was hard, so I just made the decision to do the big chop, but which it really wasn't that. Well, yeah, it was a big chop, but I didn't cut it scalp. I didn't scalp my head. And she said it's being natural expensive. Yes and no. Yes, because you end up having to buy so many different products until you find like the products that your hair really likes, because you really have to go off like what your hair tells you. Like when your hair reacts how you want it to react and it look good with some products that you use, then that's your go-to. That need to be like what you use because your hair responds nice to it. But finding that product is expensive because you'll be done went through so many products and you'll be like, golly, I need a go-to. Like I don't even have nothing that I need to find some shampoo that my hair like. I need to find conditioner that my hair like. I need to find a moisturizer, a oil, all this stuff. I still haven't really found my go-to products yet. I'm still in search of it, but I mean the products that I use now are pretty good. I guess they kind of like all over the place because I don't really. Do I say consistent? I just bought something new the other day when I took my hair down. I just bought a new product the other day when I took my hair down. So it's like, it's not expensive when you got your products together, but getting your products together is kind of, you know, costly. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. Give me a minute, let me eat. I've been talking. Whew. But oh. If any of my subscribers are from Atlanta and we're around the same age, you know, I would be glad to make some new friends because I be needing some stuff. I need something to do, like when I'm not at work. I don't really know anybody around here, so let's be friends. I'm pretty cool, I guess. I don't know. That's from my point of view. So I don't know. DM me. We might become best friends. Whew. I'm getting a little full. What else? Some stuff about me. I'm the youngest of 3. I have, well, on my mom's, I'm the youngest of 3 on my mom's side. Well, I'm really the youngest of 3 on both sides. So, I have a older brother, older sister, he's the oldest, and a older brother, he's the middle. Whew. This is spicy. I keep picking up this drink. And my nose keeps running. Ooh. Anyways. Yeah. The youngest of 3. My birthday. It's kind of spicy. Ooh, this spicy. My birthday is March the 31st, 2000. I already said I'm 19 years old in the beginning. I don't have any pets. I'm sorry that I'm eating with my hands. I mean, I think it's okay. It's my food. So, just had to throw that out there if anybody had anything to say. But, whew, I played volleyball in high school. I cheered in high school. I didn't do anything in college. I'm out of Kool-Aid, so I'm about to wrap this up. And I'm getting full, so can't eat. It's not a mukbang. I have 9 nieces and nephews on my mom's side. I don't know about the other side. I don't know. I picked it back up and I don't have nothing to drink. What's something else? Fun fact. Fun fact, fun fact. I'm full. I don't have any fun facts either. Okay, I'm full. We're gonna put this up and save it for later. So, since I'm done eating and I'm done talking, ooh, excuse me. We're just gonna close this out. That's it. That's all we're gonna do. We're just gonna be closing this out right now. So, with that being said, if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video up. Comment down below some video ideas if you have any. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are on the road. We are on the road to 1K. Our next stop is 400. And let's try to get there. I'm going to try to get there by, I don't know. I would say by September. I would say by August, but I don't know. Y'all might surprise me. We might can do it. We almost hit 350. So, we're gonna just see how y'all do. Y'all comment down below some stuff that y'all would like to see, some more stuff y'all would like to see more of. I was gonna make this a vlog, and I'm gonna be trying some mochi either later or tomorrow because I really want to try some. So y'all might get that video Monday. But that's everything that I had to say. Thank you for watching. I really enjoy eating and talking to you guys. If you have any more questions, you can comment them down below. If you have any more questions, you can comment them down below, and I'll be glad to answer them in the next video or comment back and answer them. Like I said just a second ago, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if not already. I would love for you to join me. It would be greatly appreciated. And I don't really say this much, but y'all go follow me on Instagram. All my stuff, all my social media will be down below. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat. You can be my friend on any of my social medias. So, y'all go add me and follow me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.